Hello, welcome to the tutorial video for horror story theme for Concrete5 CMS. This theme is responsive and it's built on the Skeleton CSS framework, so it's pretty lightweight there, and since it's mostly all CSS based. There I added a few other little things to it. One is that the header up here and the footer, as you can see, have equal heights. That's a little script that I added that does that. I also added fit vids, so any video that you embed, like YouTube or Vimeo or something, will automatically scale to fit within that area. It comes with just this menu bar up here, which you can actually turn this off or on in the dashboard. I'll show you that in a minute. Also comes with this scaling background too. As you can see, it scales to fit. Mostly here within the background, and now on these other smaller sizes here, it looks like this. You'll see that this menu turns into a drop-down menu, and oh, I included this micro article or micro blog block on here too. You can add a link to any page and an image and some text there, and so it works like this. It's very responsive. This is a small tablet device or size, and this is the smallest it gets, which is your smartphone size. So it's going to look something like that. Too. So that's about what it will look like for those types of sizes, and so it's pretty flexible. Included again, the micro article block here. So let me show you here how this works. Once you install everything, this is what you'll see here in the inspect package side of it, and then in your dashboard you should have a back end section here. So there's two pages in your dashboard that it adds. There's a documentation, pretty handy little thing here. Some text on here, and some useful links for you to check out. And then this is where you configure certain things. And now the defaults are all the first things that are selected in these lists. Like bloody horror here. I mean, that's these are all types of like images that you can choose. So let's say you want to choose a default or a different type of default background image. You can do that. Like this one, here called horror story. You can save that. Return to site, and you'll see the background's different. Now these are your different types of fonts. This is what you'll see on a fresh install. This is on a different site that I'm actually just starting to work on here. So this is what you see by default. This is your default layout. It'll look like this, and it does come with several other page types as well. It comes with a two column left right sidebar, full width, and I believe that's it. Also, I think there's a blog page type if I remember correctly. I think I will show you the micro article block real quick here, how that works. It's real simple. You just add your text here, say micro demo article or something like that. Some text here. You can make it as long as you want. And by the way, you can add HTML elements, like for example, if you want to bold something, you'll probably do something like this, strong, something bold here, and that. If you wanted to, you could do that, because that just prints it out. This will just produce it as it's basically a string of text, really. So it's pretty flexible in there what you can do. You can also choose what page to link to as well. So we'll just go with something random here. Link text is for the button. Now, if you want it, you would leave this blank if you don't want a button on there. But I think maybe we will add a button. Go to page, and then we can choose an image. Now, by default, this will scale any image down to around 120 by 120. So you may want to use a square image for that if you want. So as you can see, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You can add as much text there as you want. So that's kind of what that is there. So it's useful for, adding, short little blog posts. It shows the date on there as well. So it's just, it's something that could be useful for a variety of purposes. So that's pretty much it, mostly here that this theme does. And also, just before I forget, I also included a page type called it's just basic background image here. So you can choose your own background image for each page. So if you want to choose a different one, you can do that as well. Now when you choose that, what you'll want to do is refresh the page. That's usually the best way to see the updated version. And there we go. So yeah, if you want to override your defaults on there, you can do that as well. So again, this theme is mostly just horror, so it does come with like horror fonts on there and stuff too. I did include some pretty decent customization options for the theme. If you wanna add customization colors as well too, I try to include quite a bit on there as well. So now obviously, again, to change these you would have to go to your dashboard. So this, again, there's quite a bit to it, which is why I made this video, to show you that there's quite a bit to this, at least more than what there appears to be. So if you have any questions, just use the forums in the marketplace page, and send me a private message or something. So and that's it. Thanks.